This is the knit stitch, the most basic stitch, also called stockinette, and this is the first one that you'll want to learn. So once we have some stitches cast onto our needle, usually we'll cast them on while we're holding the needle in our right hand, and then since we're working flat, we'll flip it. So here's my tail here, and we don't want that, and then we want the working yarn in this hand. And so we'll be picking up our other needle here to get started. So to get started, you're going to be putting your right hand needle from the front to the back and make an X out of your needles. And then you're going to be grabbing the working yarn here in your right hand, and then you will be wrapping it under the back needle, and there'll be a loop on the back needle, and then you will draw it through. And as you're drawing through, make sure to drop the loop from the left needle that you just put the new knit stitch through off of the needle. So again, I've got my working yarn in my right hand still, inserting the right hand needle from front to back, make an X with your needles, bring the working yarn under and around, draw through, drop this one off. And you'll start seeing the rows of stitches coming off of the needle here as you work.